Hi guys, I'm just looking at, this is the pressure cabinet, the PSBC 990. I'm looking at upgrading the hose. They're a fantastic cabinet, but the only thing that lets them down is the hose. The hoses are rubbish, absolute crap. Sometimes they only last half an hour. Others are luckier, they get a better run out of them, but they tend to go there and on the bend at the back. So we've been looking at an upgrade for them, but we've gone with the factory, and every time they've come with a new upgraded one, it's just not passing the quality control. So it looks like it's down to us here in the UK to have a look, see what we can do to improve it. So that's the system. I've got a tank, because we sell the tanks on their own over here. So here's a tank I got on my bench, and that's the way they're set up. Obviously the hose comes out of there and into the cabinet. So what we're going to do, I've got these bits here, and I've got little, keep an eye on me, you girl. This is the new hose, and this is going to be fitted with a boron nozzle. I'll screw that, see if you can see it. Cameras all over the place, some shit with these. Right, boron, that looks like 6mm. That'll last a lot longer than the ceramic ones it comes with anyway. So I'll put that back on there. So obviously this hose is a lot thicker than what's supplied on the cabinet. So you're going to have to make the hole bigger where the hose goes into the side wall of the hopper, or in the cabinet at the back. I'm not quite sure, depending on which one you got. You're going to have to make that a bit bigger to fit this hose through. Take that off and push it, take that off there and push it through the cabinet. I've got grommets for them. Once I get it sorted and the kit, then I'll have everything. Because right, so that will come off, right, and then we'll take this media flow valve off. That comes fitted with the cabinet, and then we'll put that on there. So that we'll have one of them in there. I'm just going to do it, everything finger tight. I'll do it properly when I get it on the cabinet, obviously after I've tested it as well. That will go on there. I'm hoping that it doesn't come down too low, you know, and hit the floor. Then it won't bloody work. This one will go on there. Quickly. That's to take that. Alright. So you can put your hose into it. This end. Right. That'll go on there. What are we missing? A. That will go on there. And this now doesn't reach, so I'll supply a longer piece of this 16mm, I think, hose to go in there. That's your A. So that's pretty much it. Obviously it's a bit of a shambles here at the minute, but that's what it'll be like. So your orange hose will go back into there. The end of your new upgraded hose will get connected to that, and obviously that'll go up into the cabinet and blast away, and hopefully that will solve the issue that we're having with the well, inferior hoses, really, aren't they? Because I'm forever sending out hoses. Obviously if they've had the cabinet for a few months, then they are going to wear through, so you know, it's an expendable part. But when they're only having them for like a week and the hose has gone through, it's no joke. So anyway, so that's the first bit. I will get this all fitted now to that cabinet, and I'll test it and we'll see how we go. Mario. Okay, here we are. There it is, fitted. All done. I'm just going to test it. I had to lengthen that a little bit. Big thick hose on it. Hang on. Yeah. And there it is, coming in the cabinet. It's got the big, that's a tungsten nozzle, that, so you won't be replacing that forever. I think it's 6mm, is it? What is it? Anyway, here it is. Let's give it a quick shot. Right. Quickly do a quick test thing on it. It'll be quick because I haven't got my extractor set up, so it'll get dusty quick. Right, here we go. There's the dust already, look, can't see bugger all now. But as you can see, it works a treat. Beautiful. Let's clear that. Right, there you go, now the dust is settled. I've not set my extractors there, look, it's just not connected up. But the purpose for this video is just to show this. You probably will need a grommet for up there, because all I did was took the grommet out and I fed, because obviously the hose is a lot thicker, I just fed it through that hole there. That will be hooked up there actually. Happy days then. So it'll save some aggravation till the factory sort the shit out and get decent hoses put on these cabinets. There you go. Hope this helps. They're going to be on my website and I'll sort that soon as. Have a great day, guys.